The 2026 World Cup is going to be the biggest sporting event in human history. Here's why. June 11th to July 19th, 3 host countries, USA, Mexico, and Canada. 16 cities, 48 teams, 104 matches. That's almost double the size of Qatar 2022. Mexico kicks it all off at the legendary Estadio Azteca on June 11th against South Africa. Canada opens the next day in Toronto against Bosnia. And the USA debuts June 12th at SoFi Stadium in LA against Paraguay. Spain enters as the world's #1 ranked team. Argentina is defending the title with Messi possibly playing his final World Cup. A round of 32 before the round of 16. More games, more upsets, more chaos. The final, July 19th in New Jersey. 1 champion, 1 trophy. 39 days of pure football. Follow me. I'm covering every group, every upset, every goal until someone lifts that cup. Who's your pick to win it all?